Two-page view lets you see two consecutive pages of the same notebook side by side, giving you a continuous spread where you can keep context on one page and work on the other, making studying, comparing steps, and presenting your notes feel as natural as using a real paper notebook. That is why we love that we have the feature in wellnote. Pair it with read-only mode and you've got yourself a lovely setup. wellnote removes the limit of fixed pages by letting you expand your pages whenever you need extra space. That's ideal for brainstorming or long lecture notes. Those side thoughts and comments can easily go next to the relevant notes. Layers add another dimension. Keep sketches, annotations, and handwriting separate so you can hide and show information in parts, or preserve a clean base layer for later edits. My favorite use case is active recall. I love that more and more handwriting apps are bringing layers to our note-taking experience. Isn't that fantastic?